Our steel dockboards can provide robust strength for forklifts that are loading and unloading contents inside a trailer. They are constructed of high-strength steel for long-lasting life. The beveled edges on both ends permit smooth entry and exit. The deck is diamond-plated and has welded safety curbs for safe, efficient use. The locking legs minimize ramp movement and are uneven to allow the dockboard to sit canted for easier floor pickup by a fork truck when not in use. The locking legs are located 12 inches from the edge of the dockboard, and the bend is 11 degrees and 9 inches from the beveled edge. All steel dockboard models come standard with a lever lift for quick portability with the fork truck. They are available in widths of 60 inches, 66 inches, 72 and 84 inches. The capacities range from 10,000 to 30,000 pounds. Optional accessories include the following: lifting chains and sliding span locks. To install, move the lift lever up and load the dockboard onto the fork truck. Ensure the locking legs are facing away from the fork truck. Transport to dock area and lay the dockboard down inside the gap between the trailer and the dock. Adjust dockboard if necessary. If your facility does not have a dock leveler, check out our line of steel dockboards today.